How to share a post with close friends on Instagram. First, make sure the Instagram app is updated. It may be an iPhone or Android. Now, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is an Update button, click on Update and update the app. If there is an Open button, it means that your Instagram app is already updated. After updating, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. At the bottom center of the screen, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Again, at the bottom of the screen, swipe right and select the Post option. Choose the photo or video you want to share from your gallery. Tap Next when you're satisfied with the edits. Below the video, you can write a caption, tag people, and add a location if you want. Customize your post with relevant details before sharing. Here, look for the option Audience and tap on it. By default, it will be set to everyone. Now click on the Close Friends, then click on the Done. Now tap on the Share so that your post will be shared to close friends only. And that's it.